In today's video, I will show you how to create a dithering filter to get an even more authentic retro look. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well and having a great day. We will continue where we left off in the last part and extend our filter by adding a dithering step. So let's add a new filter pass and name it Dithering. Then let's edit the shader code. The dith matrix is a 4x4 Bayer dithering matrix. This matrix contains values that slightly adjust brightness in a repeating pattern across the image. The values range from negative to positive, which means some pixels get darker and some get brighter. This matrix is used to distribute small variations in brightness across nearby pixels in a controlled way. The pattern helps avoid harsh banding effects when reducing the number of colors. Dither strength determines how much the dithering effect influences the final image. A higher value makes the effect stronger by increasing the brightness shifts. Color factor controls the number of discrete colors used in the final image. A higher value means more color steps, making the image look smoother, while a lower value makes the effect more pixelated. Dither scale scales the coordinates used for dithering. If increased, the dithering pattern appears larger across the screen. A value of 1.0 means the pattern repeats every 4 pixels, since the matrix is 4x4. Here we are reading the original pixel color from the input texture using the screen coordinates. This gives the RGB color of the pixel before any dithering is applied. This step prepares the coordinates for looking up the correct dither value from the 4x4 matrix. This introduces controlled noise, making transitions between color shades look more natural. The mod function keeps the coordinates within a 0 to 3 range, ensuring that they wrap around inside the 4x4 matrix. The matrix is indexed using these wrapped values, retrieving a brightness offset from the dithering pattern. This offset is scaled by dither strength and then added to the color, slightly shifting its brightness. This step ensures that only a limited set of colors appear. The color is multiplied by color factor and then floored, rounding it to a discrete step. Then it is divided back by color factor, effectively reducing the number of colors available in the final image. Finally, the processed color is stored in G color, setting the final output color. Okay, let's recompile the shader. And there we have it, a nice looking dithering effect in just a few lines of code. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.